Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, the West Indies suffered a narrow 3-wicket defeat to Australia in the first of their two-match T20 series at the Carrara Oval on the Gold Coast today. Sent to bat, the West Indies were restricted to a modest 145 for 9 after racing to 48 for 1 in 5 overs. The Caribbean side limped to 122 for 8 before Jamaican Dean Smith flourished with 27 from 17 balls. Kyle Mayers top scored with 39 while Raymond Reefer added 19, Jason Holder 13 and Brandon King 12. Now, Josh Hazelwood was the pick of the Aussie bowlers with 3 for 35, while there were 2 wickets each for Adam Zampa and Mitchell Starc. Australia in their chase were rocking at 58 for 5, but a 69-run 6th wicket stand from captain Aaron Finch 58 and Matthew Wade 39 not out inched the Aussies close to victory. Sheldon Cottrell, who ended with 2 for 49, bowled the final over, had to defend 11, but he watched as Wade and Mitchell Starc were dropped and the Australians got to victory with a ball to spare. Alzari Joseph had 2 for 17. The regional team handed debuts to Reefer and leg spinner Yannick Correa. Now, the second match of the series takes place on Friday. Former JFF General Secretary Burchell Gibson is raising questions about the possible appointment of a current Finance Committee Chairman Dennis Chung as General Secretary for local football's governing body. Chung confirmed with TVJ Sports on Tuesday that discussions are ongoing for him to take over the role, with the Federation looking to replace the embattled Dalton Wint. But Gibson questioned Chung's football expertise. Now, speaking with TVJ Sports on Tuesday, Chung had responded to initial questions about whether he had enough football knowledge to take over the role. Edwin Allen and Lennon will battle each other for one of 2 spots in the interzone round in the Issa da Costa Cup, with both teams second and third, with only 1 point separating them, and that match will be played at Edwin Allen later today. Taki will look to continue their dominance in Zone J as they take on St Mary Technical. Irwin look to move even further away from the chasing pack as they face Malden. In other matches, Zone H leaders Clarendon face bottom of the table Kellits. 2021 champions Chelsea will look for their first UEFA Champions League win this season when they take on former champions AC Milan in Group E action today at 2 p.m. Chelsea are bottom of the table with a point from 2 games, while Milan are top with 4 points. In Group G, Manchester City, they look to make it 3 wins from 3 as they await FC Copenhagen at the Etihad. Champions Real Madrid can also remain perfect as they welcome Shakhtar Donetsk. Former champions Juventus, who are winless from 2 matches, they are in a must-win situation against Maccabi Haifa in Group H. Paris Saint-Germain and Benfica square off in a top-of-the-table clash in Portugal. That's going to do it then for your midday sports. O'Shane?